in this session we will be learning syntax error and runtime error, like compile time error and runtime error. So syntax error. Basically syntax error are of two type. First is what kind of error? Syntax error. Syntax error. So syntax error is an error in the source code of a program. Since computer program must follow strict syntax to compile correctly, any aspects of the code that don't conform to the syntax of the programming language will produce a syntax error. So we'll see here. For example, suppose you write a equals 10, right? Run this, and if you run, you will not get output. Why? Because a equal to 10 is an statement. Why this? Because this is a statement, and a statement won't give result. If you want result, you have to put expression a. Now run, then you will get 10 output. But our intention is we need syntax error. So how to get? Write print a and don't close this, because this is a syntax error. You will get unexpected end of file while parsing. Syntax error means writing syntax. If you write incorrect syntax, then it will come syntax error. So if you talk about compile time error. So how to deal with compile time error in Python? So say a equals 10, right? B equals 20 and C equals 30. Here what to do? Print a. Okay, print a. So if no parenthesis, then it is a syntax error. Suppose you are giving parenthesis and here you eliminate r. So what kind of error you will get? Name error. This is name error. Okay, because name print is not defined. This is name error. Okay, so better I am writing print a, and then if you run, you will get answer 10 here. 10. Now what to do? I am putting tab. I just give 4 space and I am printing here B. So in Python, we should not give unnecessary space. Unnecessary space will give indentation error. Here you can see indentation error, unexpected indent. We should not do. Okay, so here you come and now you do it, it will come 10 and 20, right? So compile time error is nothing but your syntax error and indentation error. Syntax and indentation error is known as compile time error. And what about runtime error? Runtime error. Runtime error. So runtime error is basically name error, value error. These are runtime error. For example, print, suppose D is not defined. So you will get A and B, because compile time no problem. But when bytecode will face interpreter, then there would be an issue and you will get the error. For example, here see 1020 no problem, but during runtime actually D is not defined. Here you will say name error. Okay, name D is not defined. This is runtime error. So in this session we have just covered what is compile time error and what is runtime error through programming. Hope it will help you to understand. Thank you.